everyone, I'm Shivam Pasari and welcome to ASN Academy. So as you can see from the title of this video, in this video we'll solve another simple question from the topic of profit and loss, and the question has been taken from the SNAP 2023 exam. Now the question is as follows. Imran sold a mobile phone for Rs 17,600 after a discount of 12%. He made a profit of 10%. If no discount is given, find the profit percentage. Now we are provided four options for this question. Option A 12%, option B 22%, option C none, and option D 25%. So this was our question, and I would like you to try this question first by yourself and then come back to the video for the solution. I hope that you've tried the question and you've got the solution, and if you didn't, then let's check the solution. So according to our given question, it is given that Imran sold a mobile phone for Rs 17,600. After a discount of 12%, he made a profit of 10%. If no discount is given, find the profit percentage. So the question is pretty simple. We are given the selling price of the mobile phone as 17,600. Now he gave a discount of 12%, so the list price was something higher, that is 12%. So if he made a discount of 12%, the selling price is 0.88 times the list price. So what I can do is, to find the list price, I can just divide my selling price by 0.88. Now what we have to do is, if no discount is given, find the profit percentage. So we have to find the profit percentage when no discount was given. So for that we need the cost price. Now what will be my cost price? Now since he made a profit of 10%, cost price is nothing but 17,600 divided by 1.1, because he made a 10% profit on cost price, so the selling price is 10% higher than the cost price. So I'm dividing my selling price by 1.1 to get the cost price, and upon calculation it will come as 16,000. Now what will be my list price? That is selling price of 0.88. So my list price is equal to 17,600 divided by 0.88. Now why it is 0.88? Because if the list price was 100%, he gave a discount on the list price of 12%. So my final selling price is 0.88 times of list price. So to find the list price, I have to divide the selling price by that many times, that is 0.88, and upon calculation it will come as 20,000. Now what is my profit if no discount was given? That is equal to 20,000 minus 16,000, that is equal to 4,000. Now since we have to find the percentage, let's divide it by the cost price, that is equal to 16,000, and multiply it with 100 to find the percentage. So upon calculation it will come as 25%, which is option number D. So this is how you solve such questions. You articulate all the things and write it clearly, and you will get your final answer very easily. That is option number D for our case, 25%.